Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers, plumbing apprentices. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching my two sons the plumbing trade. Stay tuned on this journey because you know it's going to be a long one. But well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, we got to vent a continuation of another job. We got to vent a kitchen sink, and we're going to use the Studer vent. I'm going to explain to CB2 why this is so sweet compared to a normal vent through the roof because of the location that we're in. So stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Good morning, CB2.
Good morning.
Are you awake? Yeah. He's awake now. Alright. Today's adventure. We have a kitchen sink here that we're putting in. Put it this way. All kitchen sinks need to be vented. So in this case, normal vents would go through the roof, out the side wall, or out the back wall in this case. All three of those scenarios are very difficult to get to. 2.5 stories up, duplex on the other side of this wall, another structure behind this wall can't get to the back. We're going to go with the Studer vent. This makes life super easy for venting a fixture, and CB2 is going to do his first venting with the Studer vent. And this is actually the first time I'm using this because it comes with a little kit. Kind of like an ice maker kit. We're going to pop it right here. Secure it right here, so you always change the vent. And the vent goes in the female adapter, which in hands comes down here, which is the drain line we did already. It's already piped up. To do this the right way through the roof will be so hard, dude. It's not even, it's crazy. And now, I think it's been 2 years since we're allowed to use these in the plumbing world. Studer vents and auto vents, and they call it a turbo vent. For you plumbers out there, apprentices, it's like pro pressing in the drainage world. We're going to get by real easy here with the vent. So that's going to be the ticket. We're going to adapt to ABS with the female adapter here. So he'll tighten this on, screw this to the stud, pipe it in. Just a little skim of pipe dope is all you need. Okay. Tighten it all the way down. All right, pal. And tighten it all the way down. You don't need fire.
Okay.
You want this, we're going to put up high, out of sight, out of mind.
But the code is above flood rim, which we all know kitchen sinks are roughly 36 inches high. And the reason for that is, if you put the vent here, it's a possibility that the drain could back up and not allow the vent to work. And that's why all vents got to be above the flood rim. And the flood rim is the height of your sink that will be full of water. These are all little codes. There's millions of them for you guys to learn. I might not be explaining them perfect, but I want it up here so I ain't got to look at it. And that is it. That's my thing. Right there, CB. Nice and high, dog. There you go. Now, do I gotta put a piece of wood here?
If you pipe it, we'll keep it still.
Huh?
More piping?
Yeah, you know, we can pipe and then strap it. That's what we'll do. That doesn't even tighten down like it should, you know? Tighten it in far enough? Alright. We'll tighten it up with a strap.
Right now, we're missing a sawzall.
And I'm not too happy about that. So we're gonna go with this. Cup right here. And we want to power through this job and get done and get out of here, because we ain't making no money here.
How can we lose a sawzall?
Alright, set up on the chop saw. You have a tape measure and pencil ready to go? Chop saw out here. Alright. Running 2 measurements, maybe a 45. CB, grab me a 45, please. Oh, that's interesting. This has, and this will be the finished look. But not only does it have a grill, it has a little pop-off hatch that you don't have to take off the finished piece. Interesting. I'm gonna need a piece. Inch it, make it 2 inch and 3/4. Roger. And then we're gonna need a piece of wood. So I'm gonna secure this with a piece 36 of 2x4. CB. Loose end in here. You gotta tighten everything up, okay? The screw wasn't all the way in. Two inch and 3/4, and then we'll secure this, and this is complete. But can you imagine taking this pipe here up on ordinary construction, which is old brick style construction, through the 2nd floor, through the cock loft, and through a flat roof? Lots of work for a vent. So I want to thank the plumbing gods for passing these Studer vents, turbo vents, cheater vents, whatever they may be. Thank you, because this makes plumber's life very easy. I think we're going to start today, CB. So me and CB2 are sitting here putting this together, and we have a great idea. All you plumbing apprentices out there, or even you plumbers, put me to work, man. What code, especially when if I broke it, what code do you want me to look up in the National Plumbing Code book and make a video of? Now, making a video might be a little hard unless we're actually doing the work, but we can actually try it. So if you guys out there, if you have a code that you want me to explain, or one of my own infractions, which is even better. Like I had 2 codes to look up. I had to look up expansion tanks for potable water and air hammers for potable water. I'm going to look them up. We used to use them here in this area, but now we don't. I don't even know why we don't no more. CB2. Let's ask CB2 this question. Come here. Oh, you got your goggles on. He's learning. What code do you want to learn today, CB? This is pressure. Get back to me. Get back to me, son. Because you'll be going to school very soon, starting September, which is kind of far away. He missed a cut this year for the Plumber's Apprentice class. Oh, should I this first time? Hold on for 1 second. Oh, somebody asked me about the glue I was using.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
What?
Never mind. You're good.
It's all glued up.
Yeah.
Somebody asked me about the glue I was using, and I'm going to tell them right now. The glue I use, here we go, baby. I'll explain in 1 second. I want to know the brand I use. Today is a great opportunity to get that brand. What did I just do here? Oh, there it goes. There it goes, CB. Oh, come on, come on, come on. What's going on here, CB? Oh, what's going on here, CB? Oh, get in there, CB. Oh, man, that's a little rough. A little rough, I gotta tell you. It ain't supposed to be that rough. This is why I need that board. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's for sure, dude. Oh. He wanted to know what kind of glue I could use that I could actually pull a fitting out and reuse it. I actually use Easy Weld. I've been using it for years. Supply House brand, American made. I hope that helps you out there, buddy. I forget who that was. We're going to take a shortcut. We love shortcuts. I had the screw access up here. Bada boom. Done. Let me see that grate. That'll be the finished product. That's it.
Vented.
Vent it. CB like that. Well, here's the finished product. It's just what we need on this application, let me tell you. A 2-inch vent, or check that, an 1.5-inch vent to the roof from here, or to even re-vent it into the bathroom upstairs, which is an old cast iron stack. Impossible. So this would definitely go to its own vent area. This is the ticket right here. Whew. Thank you. After further review, I actually read the instructions on this turbo vent that, according to the paperwork, you can actually vent this right under the sink in the cabinet space, as I'll show you on the paperwork. Now, what I was saying, revent, that would be a revent where you would vent the pipe back into an existing vent above the flood rim. There's so many variations of venting, but in the end, I still like my vent above the flood rim, and I kept it this high, out of sight, out of mind. So, but you can put the vent under a sink. Doesn't have to be above the flood rim. I like it above the flood rim, and again, it's an easy way out. So, what I'm going to do, I'll put a picture of the paperwork in there. I'm actually going to look up the code in the National Standard book and put that picture in there too. So we're going to do that lesson. Have a great day. When I was editing the auto vent film, I realized I didn't have no close-ups. So here is the close-ups of the auto vent. Okay? And this is the little hatch to change it if you ever had to change it.